first was friction, second was spheres, third is basic
Spheres.
problems on spheres, problems on sphere, basic problems
Thank you,
on
sir.
Lami's theorem. Okay, and apart from that, theory, which I have told you, what is Lami's theorem, what is principle of transmissibility of forces, what is reaction, what is free body diagram, what is beam, beam, types of load, types of support, what is this coefficient of friction, what is this angle of repose, then what is self locking, what is screw jack, you know, all the part that we have covered in the lab, theory part of the lab and the theory part of the lecture and the numericals. Fine, so all you have to prepare it for the first module, and I have also shared the all the theory part of the handwritten notes for the first module, and also the numerical part of the first module I have already shared to Satvik. So I think Satvik has shared everything with you. Satvik, do you have shared yesterday the PDF which I have sent to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Actually, what was happened? Sorry, the previous which I have sent, there is some picture was not clear. Some numerical values are not clear. So I have taken the pictures again, and I have again resent it so that you should not find any difficulty. So prepare it, and the numericals that I have discussed in the class, you have also prepared the course register and the course register, different numericals which we have solved. I have given these handwritten notes, compare with them, check them whether you are getting the answers or not, and with those problems, study the different problems from the book. Okay, so total three types of problems are there. Type 1 spheres, type 2 this one friction, and the ladder friction, and also some basic problems on the beam. So prepare it, and about the platform, we can say that it can be MCQ based, or it can be in which you have to solve the numerical. If it is, if you have to solve the numerical, then you have to write, complete the numerical, then you have to send the PDF, or it may be MCQ based. In that, question will be there, 4 options will be there. You have to solve it on a register, and you have to collect or to select the correct answer. So any platform can be there. So we will let you know about the platform. Okay. So best of luck for your examinations for the minors which are coming. So yesterday class trust was discussed, but first I will finish off with the beams. Some numericals, I want that I have discussed 2 or 3 numericals, but I need 1 or 2 numericals more to be discussed, so that you should feel comfortable in the beam. Okay. And after that, one part is left, SFBM, SFD BMD, shear force diagram, bending moment diagram in the beam. I will also complete that part, and then we will start the truss part. So when the beam will be completed, our 50% of the second module will be completed. And regarding the friction assignment, I will also upload the friction assignment today, so that you can also have.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Actually, some problem is with my throat. That's why it's looking that that's breaking. Uh, I'm trying to give maximum voice as far as possible.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have one doubt in module 1.
Which topic you have doubt?
The Varignon's theorem. वो समझ नहीं आ रही है.
I have explained it to you by the slides.
सर आप
Okay.
प्लीज दोबारा बता दोगे?
Okay. I will explain it
I
tomorrow.
have
Okay.
a doubt in that also.
Tomorrow I
Okay
will
sir,
explain.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us start the numericals which are left for the beams. Fine. So I am sharing the screen and just try to solve this numerical. Is the screen visible now?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I will give you only one numerical of the beam right now, and let me check how many of you can able to solve this problem. If you can solve this problem, then you can solve any problem of the beam. I am giving you a bit longer problem, okay? Though you have studied some of the problems, right now I'm giving you little longer problem. Everything has been completed in this numerical. There are different values. Question here is find the reactions at the support for the following simply supported beam as shown in figure.
So there is no angle in the point load.
Let me finish it. If
And
question
the
is not
distances also.
yeah, let me finish it off. I am just writing the statement. I will complete the values. Don't worry. I will complete everything for you so that you should not complain that anything is missing. I hope all of you can able to solve this problem. Everything we have discussed, nothing is left. Angle here is 80 degree. Now tell me if any part is left or if in any missing data is there. Can you please solve it? If you have any difficulty, tell me. So students, should I help or can you able to solve this problem?
Please
Sir,
wait.
solving.
Okay, very good. Any issue at any point you can let me know. This is the maximum complex problem that can come in the examination. Okay. At point M, very simple, point load is there at some angle. Point LK, UDL is there. At point JI, I have explained this in the previous numerical, how you have to solve this. If you can remember, point HF and point FE, you can see here two UVL are here, so no issues in that. At point D, I have explained you with the theorem. And point C, I have also explained this, how you have to make the ability of a couple. And point B, there is roller support, how you have to make the ability, I have explained it to you. So I hope you can easily able to do this problem. So second, consider second problem. This is problem for a practice, which you have to do it at your home, and you have to show it to me tomorrow. So in this problem, you can see that two bars are there. You can say the bar AB is there, or you can say the beam is there, and two inclined surfaces, and inclination of these is 30° and 45°, and two loads are there, 200 and 100 Newton load. So you have to calculate the distance x, which 100 Newton load be placed from the end B. So you have to calculate this distance from the end B. Fine. So this question you have to do it at your home and complete the first one here and let me know what answer you are getting.
सर RB आया है, I don't know सही है कि नहीं. 1257.10.
Just a minute. Let me check once again whether it is coming or not. Anybody is getting the same answer?
Sir, still solving.
Okay, solve it, solve it.
Sir, I got RB as 276.55.
Just a minute. You keep on solving, I will just ask you. Because I have generated this question right now for you, so I am not having the answer with me. Which student was saying he is getting HA? Just a minute. Yeah, HA. Question number one answer. Let us see. Write it here. Question number one.
Sir, I got RB.
RB. Okay.
Till now, I have not calculated for A. RB I have got, sir, 1257.10.
Just give me a second. There's some problem with my little pad. Now tell how much you are saying?
1257.10.
0.10. Okay. Let us see whether other students are getting same or not.
सर
Yeah.
सर जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसमें 80 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर वाला ट्रायंगल का सर एफबीटी कैसे बनाना है?
You have to take it two triangles. Okay. Means from H and F you will take this one. If I take it here, let us say it is I am taking it here. Value here it is P. Okay. Then take these two triangles, PHF and PFE. Okay. Two triangles you have to take, and for the two triangles you have to make the two UVL, and then you have to convert those two UVLs into point load, and after that you can calculate the remaining calculations. Means simply you have to take the two UVLs here. If you're taking it completely, then it will be very difficult for you to solve. To take it separately, one will be HF, PHF, and second is PFE.
Sir, I got the answers different.
Tell me what you are getting. We will
Sir,
cross
I
check.
got RB as 276.55.
276.55.
Yeah.
And what is HA?
HA I got 128.06.
128.06. And what
And
is RA?
RA 340.04.
340.04. So let us see for what other students are getting. Let us see what others are getting.
Sir, R is coming out to be 302.798.
See, if you have make the correct equations, then answer should be same. But I don't know why you're getting the
Sir,
different
I have a
answers.
doubt actually.
Yeah.
Sir, in there are couple forces, so we have to multiply that with the distance or not? Like the
No.
5 kilonewton.
For which one you are asking? Point C or point D?
Sir, D.
At D point, you can say the 5 kilonewton force is there. We will shift this 5 kilonewton at the point D. Okay.
Yes.
Here we will.
Yes.
I have explained this to you previously. Then.
और सर 10 किलोन्यूटन का वो मोमेंट बन जाएगा क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में.
Yes, it will be. Yes, we will have these two forces here. Okay. So this will be. You can say this. This is 5 kN, 5, and this is again 5 kN. Okay. So this will be 5 into 2, 10 kN meter. That will be couple, and 5 kilonewton is shifted on the left hand side. So finally it will be like that. Okay.
So,
5
when
kN.
we are forming the equation, we have to multiply 10 kilonewton by the distance or
No. They simply write 10 kilonewton, not by distance.
okay sir. सर तो मेरा गलत है. सही करना.
Okay.
Yes sir. Thank you sir.
सर मेरा RAB आ गया 342.44.
342. It is, student is getting 340 something. Okay, this can be
Yes.
considered. So it can be, you are saying 342, so it can be considered 342. Let us write here also.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually I've got that 1257 up there, RB.
You are getting, okay,
Yes, sir.
that's good. So I hope you are able to solve this problem, question number 1, all of you. Because I have explained every part in the previous classes, how to solve point number LK, how to solve point number JI, how to solve HF, FE at point D, point C, and point B. I don't think there should be any problem.
सर एक बार रीचेक करने के लिए एफबीटी बना दो.
Okay. First write the second problem. Have you written the second problem? So that I will rub here and I will explain here.
Yes sir.
Sir,
First of all of you make the second problem. Then I will rub the second problem here and I will make the FBD in the bottom side. This second problem is for the practice. You have to do it at your home and you have to show it to me tomorrow. A very simple problem.
Sir, we can use summation f of x in this question, right?
Of course, you have to use summation fx, summation fy. Without that, you cannot able to solve it.
Yes, sir. Then, like, if he is getting 1200, and that is really high, no, sir.
That is not an issue because there are a lot of forces here. You can say point load is there, UDL is there, UVL is there. How many UVLs are there? 1, 2, 3 UVL are there. Couple is there. So definitely value will be high.
Yes.
Okay. VB value will be high, and VA value might also be high, so you have to cross check whether you're getting the same answer or not. So should I wrap the second problem now? All of you have written the problem?
So 1 second.
R की वैल्यू क्या आई थी ऊपर क्वेश्चन में?
So I am now rubbing question number 2. Some problem. There is some problem, so let me do it on the next page. So tell me which part you want me to make. M, you can make it by yourself. Which part you want me to make? All the ability or certain in the question number 1?
Sir, I've made the FBD, but बस just tally करना था कि सही बना है नहीं बना.
Okay, okay, fine. Just making it now.
Sir, my RA is coming to be 376.105.
376 RA. Just check it. Please. I think somebody is getting 342. Then we have this point C. At the point C, you can see we have 15 kilonewton. So this will be how much? 15 into 1 plus 1. That is how much? 3 kilonewton meter. This is the movement in the clockwise direction. And at the end, we have these two reactions RB. So this will be RB sine 60 and this will be RB cos 60. So this is the ability of all the forces. Okay. I am not making the directions or the distance here, but I have make all the ability of different forces. You can cross check it at your end whether from our side is matching with my FPD or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so uh, I have generated this question here, so please cross-check the answers with your classmates. Whether you have applied the equation of statics correctly or not, moment equation correctly or not. If you have not applied the moment equation correctly, then definitely you will not get the correct answer. So check the moment equation and check the final answers once again.
Sir,
So I hope, yeah.
sir, I'm getting RA as 331.86.
But the student here is getting 126.86. Please
Sir,
check it once again.
RA
RA. Okay, sorry. RA. No, RA how much?
331.86.
Okay, it can be considered, but if it is coming 340, somebody is getting, so it should be near about to that.
Okay, sir.
Please check
And
the
my
questions once
HA
again.
is coming as so my HA is coming as 121.77.
121.77.
And my HA is 135.89.
So you can all see why the answers are different. There is only two reasons. Either you have not making the ABD correct or the equations correct, or secondly, you have not using the calculator properly. This is the
Sir,
reason
can you
that
explain the part between JI, sir, in FBD?
which one
JI.
JI. I have explained it in the previous numerical. This is the same which we have discussed earlier. You have not attended that class.
Sir, I was there, but some network
See,
issues was there.
you can see at the point JI, 20 kilonewton force is there. Like that, you can see this. This is 20 kilonewton. So this is the UDL. Okay. This portion is UDL, and this above portion is UVL. Okay. So if we can see from here, this is 100 kilonewton and this is 20 kilonewton and this is 0 kilonewton here. So here to here is 20 kilonewton. That means this is UDL. You can easily make it. Fine. 20 into 3. Fine. This is 60, which I have mentioned here. Distance is 1.5, 1.5. Now come to this point. From here to here, it is 20 to 100. That will be how much? Half into 100 minus 20 into distance is how much? 3 meter. So that will be how much? 120 kilonewton. So I have written it here 120 kilonewton. Okay. This is UVL and this is UDL. Fine.
Fine, sir.
So please check the answers from your end and do this question number 2 by yourself and make it in a course register. I will check it on any day. Fine. That's all
Okay,
it's from my side. I will now take the attendance.
Yes, sir.
Now I will take the attendance. Okay.
Yes, sir. So excuse me, sir.
हाँ या
सर आपने कहा था कि फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम इक्वेशन फॉर्म करने के मार्क्स मैक्सिमम मिलेंगे पेपर्स में, लेकिन अभी एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में होगा पेपर, तो फिर कैसे?
Yeah, if it is MCQ form, then pattern will be different. You have to see that answer should be correct. Okay. Yeah. That means that there will not be any, you can say, part marking. Okay. So either the question will be correct or either the question will be wrong. So you have to be very precise in MCQ. We can't help it there. Okay.
And sir decimal places कितने तक कैलकुलेट करना होगा?
No. 4 options will be there, but definitely
Okay,
decimal places you will. If your answer is matching, there is no point of going to decimal place. Okay. So please ensure that if your MCQ is there, your question should be correct. Otherwise, you will lose marks. That's a very good point raised by the student. But we cannot give the step marking here because if the MCQ is there, we are not aware that how you are solving it. So please ensure that you are getting the answer correctly. Now coming to the attendance part. Jashandeep.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Rama.
Present, sir.
Divyam.
Present, sir.
Mohit.
Present, sir.
Then Shekhar.
Present, sir.
Then Sahil.
Present, sir.
Then Vanshika.
Present, sir.
Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Shivansh.
Present, sir.
Hiren.
Present, sir.
Hiren, your health is fine now?
Yes, sir. It will take now only half a week more, sir,
Okay.
to recover, sir.
Just take the medicines, okay, properly.
Yes.
Samir. Samir. Samir Chaudhary, are you there? I think he's not there. Sudiksha. Sudiksha. Not there. Yash Kapoor.
Present, sir.
Then Vanshveer.
Present, sir.
Sankirat.
Present, sir.
Neha Goyal.
Present, sir.
Parth Batra.
Present, sir.
Okay. Then we have Aditya Rajput.
Present, sir.
And Satvik.
Present, sir.
Okay. After Satvik, we have Aditya Kumar.
Present, sir.
Prajwal Goswami. Prajwal.
Sir, present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Shantanu.
Present, sir.
Naman.
Present, sir. Naman.
Yuvraj.
Present, sir. Yuvraj.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Present, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Samir, sir,
Samir, wait. Say, wait for 2 minutes. Let me complete the roll call, okay?
Okay,
Wait
sir.
for 2 minutes. Don't disturb in between. Kushagra.
Present, sir.
Nikita.
Present, sir.
Then Pragati. Pragati is not there. Then Arunit.
Present, sir.
Hemang.
Present, sir.
Aryan.
Present, sir.
Aryan Anand. Then
Present,
we
sir.
have Rakshit Malik. Rakshit. Okay.
Present, sir.
Then Aryan.
Present, sir.
Nibir.
Present, sir.
Parth Bansal. Parth Bansal.
Pencil present.
Present. Then Bhavya Singh. Bhavya Singh.
Present, sir. Present.
So Samir, you are left.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I got disconnected due to my bad Wi-Fi network connection during my attendance roll call. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Please ensure that your connection should be perfect. Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, light चली गई थी.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so that's all from our this side. So attendance is completed and
Excuse me, sir.
prepare for the classes. Yeah.
सर अमित कपूर सर अटेंडेंस
Yeah.
का देख सर
Yes, yes.
सर एक और चीज पूछनी थी सर जीएसएससी में सर 21 स्टूडेंट्स हैं
We will talk it later on regarding that. Okay.
ओके सर ओके
Okay. All of you can leave now.
They have marked presence for Park Pencil. My network.
Yes,
I am
yes.
having network issue.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.